Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we will learn how to make a simple random password generator for us. So I am going to import few things. First of all, random, and then I am going to import string. So like this. And now I have to explain you few more things uh, in in this. For example, like if I put like this string dot accept letters like this, and now if I print the value of a and let me run this, see, as you can see, it provides us with all the capital ABC and lowercase ABC for us. And another thing is that b dot string dot digit like this, and if I print b for us and let me run this for you. So now we have get it all the capital letter ABC and small letter ABC and all the digits from 0 to 9. So that's all we need to make a password, and few symbols also. So like this. So first of all, I am going to make a list so we can contain all these letters in it. So I'm going to name it character, c so char whatsoever. I'm going to make a list for it like this, and I'm going to store these value like string dot static letters plus string dot digit. Okay, and few and all the other symbols like this. So let me put this down and like this. So we have created our list for us. Let me print this list for you so that you can see. So like this, and let me run this for you. See, as you can see, we have made a list of all the capital ABC and lowercase ABC and all the digits and all the symbols for us like this here. So now now I'm going to remove this print for you. Now let's define our function. So I'm going to say it random password like this and curly braces and like this. So first of all, I am going to take a user input from the user. So I'm going to name it let's name it password. Okay, like this, and equal to sorry, let's name it length. I think that would be fine. Okay, like this, and like this. Okay, then I am going to make it that input into integer, and let's enter the length of the password you want to generate like this. So this will be a prompt for the user, and yes. So now I am going to shuffle our list with this command shuffle and like this. So now if I print this for you, let me store it something in like a like this and print this, and let me print this for you so that you can see like this, and let me run this for you. Yes, so as you can see, I have not called the function yet, so it's not printing. So let me call this. Sorry for that. So like that, random password like this. So let me now call this for you, and so that you can see what's happening here. So I have to give this promote first of all, like let's say 10, and yeah, but yes, it's going to show us a shuffle character. So it's showing none because it's currently, so I don't know why it's not showing something. So let's get back that later. Okay, so like this. So now I am going to create an empty list for that, and I am going to name it password. So like this. So, and I'm going to name and make a list like this. Okay, so I am created a empty list for us. So now we are going to make a for loop for us for in range of length. It will be length, yes, and we are going to append all that append like this, and we are going to append all our characters. So random dot shuffle, I think shuffle, then character, yep, like this. So let's see it will work or not. So we have made the for loop for us. For that, it's coming again here, and our letter is storing it here. And now let's shuffle our password. Sorry, like this, random dot password, no, dot shuffle, like this, and password, yes, like this. Now we have to just join all that, dot join uh password, yep, like this. So yep, I think this is pretty much. So let me test it out, so then I will explain you what's happening. So random, so let me remove this print also, yes, and random password. So let's run this out, let's test it out, it's working or not. So let's try it out. So it's asking us enter the length of the password you want to generate. Let's put it 10. So it's putting something, object of type integer has no length. So okay, range, it will be length, like this. So yes, and let's run this again. Run like this, yeah. Let's put this again. So now what's the error coming? Expected string sequence item 0, expected string instance type none found. Okay, so what's the problem here? I think it will come here choice, yes, like this, yeah. So yes, because it will shuffle, then it make a choice, random choice, and it will be attached to the thing, then it will be like this. So let's run this out once more time. Let's see at 10, yep, it's working, yeah. As you can see, we have getted a random password generated. So let me help you what's happening here. So first of all, we have made a list of all the characters that we need to make up a random generated password. Then I am asking the user to what length of the password you want. Then I am just shuffling all the characters, all the list characters in this, like if its sequence was a b c d, then small, then capital, as you have seen earlier. Now it will be like randomly everywhere. So first it will be a or b and other thing. Then I have made an empty list like this. So I have iterated in the length which we have given. So for example it was 10, so we are arranging from 10, repeating this loop 10 times, and each time we loop, we are appending a character from this random choice from this list. Okay, then after that we have looped and made a character. We are just now shuffling that again, our list again, and now just we are going just joining all the letters of the string which we have provided. So then we are just calling the function, and as you can see we have getted a random generated number. So let me test this out once more again for you, like 10. See again, let me create 1,000. See, as you can see, it's made. So that's how you can make a random generated password for you. So thanks for watching, and I will see you around.